God, I'm really grateful for who you are. God, I'm really grateful for what you are. God, I'm really grateful for everything you've done. God, I'm really grateful just to have you in my life. Sometimes I sit and I ponder on life. All I can think about is what I would do without you by my side. You are always guiding me. Your love and grace, they carry me. Wouldn't be here right now if it wasn't for you. If it wasn't for you. God, I'm really grateful for who you are. God, I'm really grateful for what you are. God, I'm really grateful for everything you've done. God, I'm really grateful just to have you in my life. As I journey here in time, life throws curveballs. Somehow on you, my eyes are lifted high. You're always watching over me. Your joy fills and sustains me. I wouldn't know it right here if it wasn't for you. If it wasn't for you. Not enough to describe. I can't deny your presence in my life. I see you everywhere I turn. Even in the darkness, there's a light to you. Even in my weakness, even in my strength, even in my joy, my sorrows, you were there. God, I'm really grateful. You were there for me. You were there for me. God, I'm really grateful.